Hello guys, Barry here. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the latest feature of Grenade System Pro. In the version 3.1, I introduced a new feature, the View Angle System. This system is inspired by the game Valorant and can be used to achieve effects similar to avoiding a flashing bomb by turning around mechanic in the game correctly. It can only be used for post-process of explosions. When this feature is enabled, if an explosive is within the view angle, it will be affected by explosion. If it is outside the view angle, it will not be affected. This system also works well with the multiplayer mode. Now let's take a look at how to add this system to your character. Open your character blueprint. Add a child actor component to your mesh. Set the child actor class to BPS. Choose a parent socket. Adjust the transform. Compile and save. Then you will see it in the editor. For the debug settings, you need to click the default. Uncheck this will hide the debug line. Half view angle represents half of the view field. Let me set it to 30 and see. The value of debug length only affects the display length of the debug line, but does not determine the distance of sight. You can adjust the line thickness through this value. Except for some special cases, it is not recommended to adjust the duration. You can also customize the color of the debug line. For the Use 2D View option, when this option is not checked, the view error is a cone. When you check it, the view error became a sector. Checking it will slightly increase the view angle. because it only calculates whether the XY axis of the actor is within the view angle. In the last major update, I had already announced that a new type of grenade, thermite grenade, would be introduced in this version. In this update, I will bring it to you, which is a new attempt on the existing system. It is somewhat similar to the Molotov, but with a debuff effect. When the thermite bursts, its effect similar to the effect after the Molotov bottle explodes, causing periodic damage to the player. The difference is that when a player leaves the burning area, it will be added with a debuff effect, causing periodic damage that lasts for a certain period of time. Here are some other optimizations. The cocktail's burning effect has a better frame rate. Time of the explosion effect disappears is more accurate. Some functions was refactored. Okay, that's all for this update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.